everyone, what is up? I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to be transforming this blonde 613 wig into something that actually has roots that I can wear out, where it looks seamless. This was my first time ever doing this, so this is going to be a lesson for all of us, and I actually did a good job, guys. Like, look at how I toned this hair. So first things first, we're going to get our Wella toner in 4A/237. With a 20 volume developer. I'm pretty sure that the Wella toner is in like a medium ash brown. I used a cool tone brown color because people were saying that if you use warm tone, it looks really weird for the roots on brown or dark skin. So just make sure that you always go with a cooler tone color and then you're good to go. After that, I mixed it in, made sure that everything was mixed very well, and I'm going in very, very lightly with my brush that I have here. You don't want to get any of this hair dye or this toner onto the lace because it will stay there. I had some patches in a couple spots, but it wasn't noticeable at all, and this took me a lot of time, guys. I probably spent maybe around 45 minutes going throughout the entire head of hair. Just take your time because you don't want to get any of this on the lace, as I said before. I'm also going in as I'm kind of waiting for the toner to develop with a brush, just to make sure that everything just like looks like it's blended in very well. And I'm just taking my time going through the hair, making sure that I just don't touch that lace. And no, I'm not going to be skipping any sections. I'm literally going all the way towards the bottom of the wig. After that, I'm going to be going in with my Wella T11 hair toner. This is in, I think, the shade lightest beige blonde. The reason why I didn't go for an ash blonde this time is because I wanted to try something a little bit different, and I feel like this blonde looks really good on my skin tone personally, so I think I made the right choice here. I'm just going through and brushing it in. I only ended up using one bottle of this, so I didn't have to use two, thankfully, and I was good to go. And the final step is just me cutting the lace in a zigzag line so that everything looks very natural looking. And I also put a little bit of foundation on the lace as well, and I was done. Hey guys, so I'm back with a new video, and I'm surprised I'm filming today because honestly, I have not been having the best couple of days. It's just how I've been feeling lately, honestly. I feel in better spirits, which is good news for me. And clearly you guys can see that I'm blonde right now, especially after me, you know, doing the roots and stuff. I really do like how this turned out. I'm going to show you guys how I got this hair color as well as the roots. This wig is from Superbwigs. They sent this to me, and they actually sent me this blonde wig in a 20-inch, and I was really surprised because a lot of hair companies don't like sending me blonde wigs. They just don't want to promote it that month or something. So I was really, really excited that I was able to get this hair. I used the Wella T11 toner, so I was gonna try to go for, at first, like an ashy blonde color. But then I was like, wait a minute, let me just try something different, because in the past I've always done ashy blonde. When you start off with like a 6-13, it's kind of yellowish looking and it's not really toned. So I was like, okay, let me try like a beige blonde for the first time. I actually only had to use one package, which before I've had to use two, which I don't know why. This worked honestly just alone. And then for my roots, I just used a medium ash brown. I remember watching a few YouTube videos recently. Everyone was just saying to use like ashy tones for your root color because it looks more natural that way, and you think it would be more natural to use like a warmer tone, but that is not the case. So I used an ash brown and I am in love with it. I literally went all throughout the hair so that it has a more natural look, and even if I put it into like a ponytail or something, even though there are tracks in the hair, it's gonna look a lot less noticeable. And then I went and I just put some foundation on my on the lace. This is just an easier way to maintain and to just kind of like get away with more, I guess. Did not experience a lot of shedding like I had expected me to, because I messed up in the beginning and I tried to bleach the knots and that didn't really do anything for me, because again, the knots are pretty much already blonde, so you can't really bleach them again, and I wouldn't. So I thought after doing that I would mess up the lace, but thank goodness nothing came out. I didn't have any issues or many issues with shedding. Of course I did run the flat iron through this hair, but I mostly just relied on the hair oil that I had from, was it Tokyo Lab or something like that? I used it on this wig and it honestly is super soft. So I'll show you. I'm gonna bring all the hair to the front. Actually pretty thick, and it's a lot of hair. Like, it's definitely got some weight to it. Really good quality hair, guys. Like, when I tell you how easy it was to dye the hair, I didn't have any issues with the hair color getting onto the lace, which is great. Cap size is an average cap size. Yeah, this hair is either 150% or it's 180%. I'm not really sure. If you get 150% for the density, it's gonna be $249. If you get 180%, it's gonna be $279. So just know that you're gonna be paying a little bit extra for more hair. And I personally feel like it's worth it because the way that they plucked the hair, it's not so much in the front where it's like, it makes it look wiggish. Like, they did a really good job with plucking it. I haven't plucked anything, you guys. This wig is already pre-plucked. And usually I go to town on that, but I didn't have to do anything. I think that it worked out really well. So yeah, I feel like that's all I pretty much have to talk about with this hair. I showed you guys the process of how I went ahead and dyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down below in the description box so y'all can go ahead and check it out. And thank you to Superbwigs for sending me this unit because it's amazing, and I'm probably gonna buy another one so that I can make it like a dirty blonde color because I want options. Yeah. Bye guys. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.